दोस्तों आज हम सीखेंगे एक ऐसा सिस्टम जिसमें आप बहुत इजीली 20 पॉइंट बैंक निफ्टी ऑप्शंस में आप ट्रेड कर सकते हैं। तो ए ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम स्कैल्पिंग ब्रॉड कैटेगरी के अंदर आएगा, क्योंकि हम लोग 1:1 या 1:2 रिस्क रिवॉर्ड में काम करते हैं और हम लोगों को इतना भी ट्रेड चाहे हम ले सकते हैं, पर मेरा ये मानना है कि मैक्सिमम 2 ट्रेड्स इन अ डे, वेदर इट इज प्रॉफिट और लॉस। तो कंसिस्टेंटली छोटे पैसे बनाएंगे तो हम अच्छा ट्रेडर बनेंगे और we will become more disciplined, and with discipline comes opportunities, और with opportunities comes lot of money। तो क्या है ये ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम? तो we are going to look at a 5-minute time frame of Bank Nifty spot chart। बोलना मत, 5-minute time frame Bank Nifty spot X। उसके बाद हम इसमें 4 इंडिकेटर ऐड करेंगे। फर्स्ट इज सुपर ट्रेंड। तो इसमें डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू आता है 10.3 आता है डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू, हम उसको 7.3 बना रहे हैं। ठीक है, एक ही चीज। और उसके ऊपर 8 EMA और 18 EMA हम डाल देंगे। ठीक है, तो सुपर ट्रेंड का कलर नहीं चाहिए तो आप ये निकाल सकते हैं, तो सिंपल रहेगा थोड़ा दिखने के लिए। और लास्टली हम ADX इंडिकेटर ऐड करेंगे। उसमें कुछ कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेंज नहीं है, बस सिंपल ADX 1414। उसके ऊपर हम एक ट्रेंड लाइन लगा देंगे, कर देते हैं, और इसका वैल्यू हम सेट करते हैं 20 का।
So at this point it would only be rightful to mention DT Butzer, from whose momentum scanner system I have derived this specific use case for Bank Nifty. It is a lot of changes I have made from his system. If I haven't seen his system, do check out his pinned tweet, and he trades this very successfully, and from there I got the inspiration to why not try it for index. But the system by itself doesn't work for index, so I hacked it and created a system which seems to work very well for Bank Nifty. I'll talk about success ratio in the later chapters. So chapter 2 is a big shout out to DT Butzer, who allowed me to change the system to tweak to Bank Nifty. So thank you, Butzer. And so we will now move to first condition is when do we go long? We go long when 8 EMA is above the 20 EMA, price is above super trend, and ADX value is greater than 20. Similarly, the short conditions are 8 EMA below 20 EMA, price is below super trend, and ADX is above 20. Now the trade itself, what do we do? How do we execute it? So when long condition is true, we are going to buy a call option that is trading closest to the 200 rupees mark with a stop loss of 10 rupees. Our target will be 20 rupees. So for an example, the option price is 201. We buy the call at 201. Our stop loss will be 191. Target will be 221. This is irrespective of what the spot is doing. Spot has given us a long signal. We are executing the trade-in option with a fixed risk reward, fixed stop loss and fixed target. When short condition is true, buy the put trading closest to 200 rupees. Stop loss will be 10 rupees. Target will be 20 rupees. Now option price is 201. We put the put option at 201, the stop loss of 191 and target of 221. Pretty simple stuff, right? And when we go through examples, we'll understand. And most importantly, since this is a crossover all in a trend following system, make sure that we keep our maximum number of trades to 2 in a day. The thing is, we may have a loss, we may have a profit, right? So tendency is, when we get a loss, we want to make up for the loss somehow, or when we get a profit, we want to make it the nearest round figure, for example, right? And in doing so, what is happening is your transaction charges are killing you. So even if you make a gain, you realize that it will all be nullified by the transaction charges. And especially if the first 2 trades are a loss, shut the terminal. It's not your day, move out, right? Now, the system itself has, in my manual backtesting, shown a 65% success rate, right? But you don't have to believe me. You need to go test it by yourself. And for both backtest and also forward test using some kind of actual money, so paper trading application, and do it for at least a month to understand the various gap down scenarios, gap up scenarios, what to do, how well can you tune the system. Is my claim of 65% correct? So my challenge to you is to go through the system and find the flaws in it. Tell me the places where it is. So 65%, what I'm saying is both trades are successful, okay? So not saying one trade is successful, both trades. If you take 2 trades in a day, both successful is 65%. So the difficulty with backtesting this is you may not have access to the option data, right? So in many ways, forward testing is the way to go. I had stored the option data because I was thinking about the system for quite some long time. So with the data available, I had backtested it. Now let's see a few charts in our final chapter. And thank you for, I hope this is adding value to you, and thank you for listening so far. Let's go to the final chapter now. So this is the 9th of April. The market opens somewhere up. It was not able to sustain, but after a few bars, it is gone. The super trend has gone to buy mode. So we can buy here because all the other parameters are in buy by this time, and we quite easily got the 20 points, right? And the second chance for us comes here when there is a bearish crossover which is done. You can either go directly and book in this bar, or wait for a pullback to the moving averages, as your familiarity is with the moving averages system. And if you had entered here, then you would have entered nice profits. So now you can trail it, of course you can, but I don't recommend, especially if you are just starting out. Once you have made some money with the system, of course you can experiment with it, right? But let's try and put in 50-60 trades and then look at the profitability before we continue. And here we get a crossover on 10th of April. The market again gapped up but crossed below. You see that ADX is about 20 and we have a crossover here, so we go long, and within these 2 bars I think we would have got our target quite easily. And now we go forward, we see a negative crossover which again gives its target. Then it gives a positive crossover, but this crossover we are not allowed to trade. Why? Actually, this negative crossover and this positive crossover we are not allowed to trade. Why? Because in this case, in this negative crossover, the super trend is not below the price, it's above the price, right? Sorry, the price is not below the super trend, price is above the super trend. And in this case, for the buy signal, the ADX is not above 20, so we will skip such trades, even though in this case it was profitable. Maybe it was not profitable because after crossover it gave this bamboo bar, as I call it, and then the chance for us came in the opening of the next day, where there was a huge gap down and the first candle itself came and closed up, and then it pulled back to the moving average. Could have taken a trade there because all the conditions are satisfied there. If not, we wait. We are not allowed to long this trade, so the entire day goes like that. Let's see where it goes. So again we get a negative crossover here, in which case all the conditions are satisfied, so it pullbacks back to the MA and then gives us a target. Then again it didn't cross up, it still is down. Now it comes down, super trend is in sell mode, ADX is above, EMAs are in sell mode, so we're looking only to sell. Here there's a nice crossover which is happening, and then the market tumbles from there enough to get our profit, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, this is a directional system and it will work really well when there is trend, and the ADX is the one which we depend on to protect us from sideways market. I have not seen where the ADX is not giving a correct signal for us. What happens is, because of our rule of 10 points, the stop loss might get spiked. So I saw that happening a few times. So that's something that we need to be careful about. But if it happens, it happens. We can't help it. We follow rules. So this is the system. These are the rules. It doesn't need much capital. But always please forward test with a paper trading app and break this system as much as possible, so that together we have a winning trading system for Banknifty, which Butzer can be proud of. Yeah, are you guys with me? If so, please do use this video to comment. I don't mind being criticized. I don't mind being showing data where it does not work, because there is some kind of bias involved for creator always. So I might have that bias. Although I've tried to be as neutral as I can. Okay, I am right now trying to automate this system, but that's for another day. Let's first of all thank you for listening so much, and I hope you will try it out and find it as useful as I did. As please don't risk your hard-earned money without doing proper testing. You must be confident of the system. There is nothing black box about it. Everything is out in the open. No secrets, nothing, right? And there is no cost. That's the best part. Okay, so the best things in life are come for free. Good luck, and I hope this will give 20 to 40 points every day in Banknifty, right? 65% of the time. So thank you very much. Bye bye. I hope you like this video. Please do like and share.